Today we talk about chocolate, but in a different way than you might think. Our topic is the cacao controversy, and this is connected to something I think everyone of you likes, and that is chocolate. And cacao is the plant which is the basis for the production of chocolate. And a controversy is simply another word for a public discussion or an argument. Today you are going to watch a video about the cacao controversy and you are going to read a text about it. Film and text are connected to the country Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast is an African country and it is located on the south coast of West Africa. You can find it here. Before we start with the video, you need your vocabulary lists because we have some new vocabulary. We've already talked about the first new words. The first one is cacao, that is cacao in German, and the second one is controversy, Kontroverse, Auseinandersetzung. The next word is quantity and it is connected to the question how much is it? Are there only a few or many things? And the German translation is Quantität. The next word is cosmetics. And cosmetics is a word that is connected to beauty, in German Kosmetik. Pay attention, you can use this word only in plural. The next word is to provide. For example, you can provide food or ideas. The German translation is liefern or bereitstellen. The next two words are connected to the adjective poor, arm. But now we have the noun poverty, and it means Armut. So poverty line is Armutsgrenze. For example, you can live below the poverty line. The next word is physical. For example, running is a physical activity. So in German it means physisch or körperlich. The next word is harvest. Imagine you grow something on a farm or something, and then at the end of the season you harvest it. And the thing you get is harvest, ernte, and the activity, ernten, is also to harvest. The next word is bean, and I already showed you what bean is in a picture, Bohne. And now we have the word to force, and if someone is forced to do something, he or she has to do it. So to force is zwingen in German. The next word is plantation. If you grow lots of things on a large farm, it is a plantation, eine Plantage. The next one is to justify, rechtfertigen. You use it in sentences like, please justify your decision. And the final one is exhausted. People who are tired and need time to relax are exhausted, erschöpft. And a few words are still missing. The first one is to chop. Imagine you have something like a carrot and you take a knife and want to make small pieces out of it. Then you chop it. Hacken, kleinschneiden. The next word is pod. Schote, Hülse. And it's part of the cacao bean. A machete is a really big knife, machete. Pay attention to the quite difficult pronunciation, machete. And now we come to the two last words. The first one is to dump onto something. And to dump a box onto the truck means the following one if I show it in a picture. The German translation is auf etwas abladen. And now we come to the final word, trade. Fair trade, maybe that's familiar to you. Fairer Handel. So trade is just Handel. Now we are done with the vocabulary and it's time for the video. Search for Ivory Coast's bittersweet cacao industry on YouTube and watch the video. And moreover, please complete the gap text on your worksheet.